In this quick guide, I'll show you how to turn a Google form into a survey in just a few minutes. Start by heading to Google Forms and logging in with your Google account. On the dashboard, click the blank form option to open a fresh template. At the top, give your survey a clear name so it's easy to track later. Now let's build it. For your first question, type something simple like name so you can identify responses. Then, on the right-hand toolbar, click the plus icon to add more questions. For example, type how is the food and set it as multiple choice. Add options like good and bad. Do the same for another question like how is the service. This keeps your survey short, clear and easy for people to answer. Once you're happy with all your questions, click the send button at the top. From here, you can copy the link and share it with anyone you want to gather feedback from. And that's it. You've just created a Google Form survey ready to collect valuable insights. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.